we're going to use the PSO spine. We're not going to go up. We're not going to have our spine right in the middle of the peaks. We're going to put our spine either to the right of it or to the left of it. Okay, and then we're going to work up and down. And this can have a completely different feeling because the peaks are on the outside of our spine and it's encasing those back muscles, plus it's getting into some other muscles that need some attention. So go slow with this, and if you need, bring a pillow, be able to put your head down. Now I'm not going to put the spine, see how I'm putting the two peaks on either side of my spine and then coming down? I'm not doing that. I'm shifting it to the side, and then now I'm putting that one side of the spine right along my back, and then now I'm coming down, okay? Now I'm shifting side to side and getting into that back muscle from a different angle. All right, now I can include the pillow. Now you can't really see the product, but this can feel really nice just shifting side to side here. I can put these peaks really close to the spine, and that can feel pretty tender. So I don't want to be too aggressive, and I'm just listening to my body. Just little slow little shimmers left and right. But this might be the thing that you need to get real close to that spine so you can be able to really get in there. Now I can feel this outer part of the PSO spine right by that shoulder blade and getting into some stuff in there. I can move that shoulder around. I can scoot down a little bit too. I can get these peaks more up into that shoulder. Now you're going to be pressing into some bone in some spots, so just go gentle, nice and slow. You're going to find some tender spots, especially when you get that PSO spine up near that rotator cuff. Woo! Start to rotate, move. So give that a try. It's a little something different with the PSO spine, not going with the spine right directly in the center, shifting it side to side. Remember too, you can also use this in your bed, which is nice because then the bed has some cushion and it can take some of that extra pressure, and then you can be able to move this and get into that rotator cuff and get all up and down in your spine. So give that a go. Let us know. We're here to help. Reach out to us in the discussion. Fill out those forms at the end of the courses. We want to hear from you. This course is for you. We'll see you later.